You're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you are coming to the channel, I will tell you subscribe, like, and share our link. Also click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Y'all can see on the back, you can see through me, see on the back we have a lot of oils. We have powerful oils, beyond what you think. They say I always make the ladies beautiful. Yes, I say so. I always want to make the ladies beautiful. You know what I mean? Don't judge me anyway. Something I want to introduce to you, but before I tell you that, let me say this way. If you want us to ship product for you, we ship worldwide, everywhere, worldwide. You know what I mean, baby? Okay, I'll give you a most white stretch mark soap. Look at it. This soap is very, very fantastic, fabulous, Don't mind the noise on the background, I tell you, this is what is very important to you. You should concentrate on this. Don't tell me, oh, AYA, there's noise in your background, but I'm just screaming, I just scream louder so that you can hear me proper. This is the real soap for stretch mark. In case you want to buy these, just contact us via the number on your screen. Don't forget we ship everywhere. Amos White Stretch Mark Soap. Everybody really talk about this soap, and that's why I'm making a review about it, Yes, stretch mark must go. Stretch mark must go. If y'all want me to talk in detail about it, so you can really visit me on my WhatsApp number, which is the number on the screen. You know what I mean? And a quick one again, I want to show you something next. Whoops. Wow. Boom. Look at it. Look at it. Woof. And a lot of people be asking me, what kind of scrub do I really need to use? Active Plus. Yes, Active Plus. This is way beyond what you think about all that scrub. Try this. Give this a try. I tell you, Rito, it's going to make your body, what you really want. He has every tendency of what you want. I will tell you, go through it properly. Or if you want to know about this, you come to me on my WhatsApp, We're going to talk about it because I don't have much time now, so I'm going to make this real quick. Real quick. AYA Cosmetic, baby. I tell you, I love making the women look beautiful. That's why I show you have the tendency to exfoliate your body also. And all of it, don't doubt me when I tell you any word, I tell you any word. So I really want everybody to just keep silent for a minute. Rita, don't mind me, and I just try to throw some fun. Watch me, I want to bring another product in. Just hold it for me, bro. Keep this for me. Okay, in a quick one, I want to bring another product in. This is just a Vigo body wash, yeah. This is a Vigo body wash. Look at it. And everybody want to ask me a question like this. I just need a body wash that can exfoliate my body. This is it. This is it. Hey, let me do some effect. Those effects, Don't mind me. They crazy right now. They tripping. They say, oh, keep on. Why are you doing this? Because I just want you to laugh. It's okay. Check this out. No, this is a body scrub that y'all need. Vigo product. So it's going to make you what you really want. Look at it. It's going to make you what you know. I have two colors in here. I can show you this one also. This one is carrot. Kind of, Look at it. Trust me. I have a lot of product y'all never seen before. Trust me. And trust me, Vigo also have a lot of product y'all never seen before. You see it now? So don't forget we ship everywhere. We ship everywhere. Then again, if you want, like you have a series of problem with your skin, yes, visit the skin doctor. I'll tell you what you're going to use to solve that problem. Okay, what else? We have a lot of powders. So let's move. Let's roll. Baby, yeah. Listen, we have a lot of powder. Let's drive. How about when I tell you, you see this? This is Moringa powder. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like all of us, we have different Moringa powders. So people, they could just meet some things I don't know about for you. But the thing is weird, it's crazy. Why are you doing some kind of wickedness like that? A powder you don't have and you miss it for people? Oh, you grind some leaf together and you just put small Moringa powder, you say, Moringa powder. No, we don't do all that. We say original, baby. We say original. That's why I tell you, come to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We talk about that, For now, I'm only selling online, so don't come tell me about where's your shop. I'm selling online. If I can show you my shop, meaning this man is real. I'm selling online. How about this? I'll show you some of that ones. How about this? I want to show you this. It's a cetyl alcohol. You see this? Yes, anyway, we have different type. Some people, they might just grind some things you don't know for you, but this baby. You know what I mean? Yes, I tell you all over the world, we ship worldwide, Retalk. We have a lot of products. Let me show you straight away to products. You know, let's drive. You can see. Look a lot of products in here. You know, you see them. See them. We have a lot of products when you talk about, you know, egg yolk powder. We talk about filling powder. We talk about flaxseed powder, and then we talk about Filipino powder, and then we talk about leca powder, and we talk about alum powder, and a lot of powder, you know. We talk about plantain powder, and then we talk about here again, I tell you, some white powder, vitamin B3, all original. Come on, what do you really want that we don't give to you? And how about oils? How about oils, baby? How about oils? Isn't that amazing? Come on, come buy from us. Let anybody ever tell you some weird talks. Oh, sorry. Forgot to use the word so hard. Anyway, the mommy, but it's really crazy how people want to destroy people, want to spot people. Oh, let's not talk about that. But yes, you see a lot of oils in here. See that? You see? A lot of people, they come to my comment, come say some things I don't like. Please stop that. Desist from that. You hear me? Desist from that. I don't want to talk too much. So look at it. You see? We have a lot of oil. You know, the king of it all, we say Blema and Malawi, we have them. So all I just want you to say is this: I'm looking for AYA. And then you're looking for AYA, that's where you're going to see me. I'm going to come from nowhere, show you, boom, and I show you the real product. You know, like, yes, we mix all top of oil. Talk, you know. Yeah, again, once again, if you're looking for where to find me, number on your screen, y'all going to get me retard. And they say, why y'all talk like this? Oh, come on, you have this foreign accent. It doesn't concern you, because I try to call across the world. You know, that's the reason that I could switch to German English. I could switch. Oh, jeez, man. Leave it. Let's not go there about that. So, that's okay. Is it Britain? Oh, let's go by that. Oh, that's okay. Retalk, what do you want me to show you again? Come on, let's drop. Yeah, I want to see body wash. Oh, you see them? See that? A lot of body wash. They I see, so Retalk, you hear me? You always patronize us like the way we want to patronize you. We have a lot of product in here. So that is it for you. AYA Cosmetic, we #1, baby. You know what I mean, Retalk, you know. Wherever you want to repair your skin, yes. I'm in here for you. You can always talk to me on WhatsApp. You know, yeah. What else you want me to tell you about? I don't know, but just keep that in your mind. Whatever y'all need me to tell you, come to WhatsApp. We gonna talk about that. So, peace out, baby.